You will be amazed by this 2025 Jeep Cherokee L. Enjoy high-end luxury and legendary capability in this exceptional Grand Cherokee L. From its expansive 3-row seating to its desirable infotainment suite and top-notch safety scores, this intrepid family adventure vehicle is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Feel relaxed and eager for the journey in this sensational Grand Cherokee L. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.